Digital ecosystems refer to interconnected networks of platforms, applications, and services that work together to support business operations. Unlike standalone tools, these ecosystems enable seamless data sharing, collaboration, and integration across different functions. Modern businesses face complex challenges that require agility and real-time responsiveness, which isolated systems often cannot provide. By adopting interconnected platforms, organizations can streamline workflows, enhance customer experiences, and adapt more quickly to market changes. This shift highlights the importance of building flexible, scalable digital environments to remain competitive in today's fast-paced landscape. Digital ecosystems are complex networks where multiple technologies, platforms, and tools work together seamlessly. Within these environments, data flows continuously between systems, enabling real-time communication and efficient decision-making. Collaborative tools play a vital role, allowing users to share information and coordinate activities across different devices and applications. The integration of diverse technologies ensures that processes remain streamlined and adaptable to changing needs. This unified approach enhances productivity and fosters innovation within organizations and communities. Intelligent digital ecosystems provide organizations with a range of strategic benefits that are transforming the way they operate. By leveraging interconnected technologies and data-driven processes, businesses can achieve greater agility, allowing them to respond rapidly to market changes and emerging opportunities. These ecosystems also foster innovation, enabling teams to collaborate seamlessly and experiment with new ideas. Furthermore, scalability becomes more attainable, as digital platforms can easily adapt to growing demands and evolving business needs. Overall, intelligent digital ecosystems empower organizations to stay competitive in a dynamic landscape. In summary, building and adopting intelligent digital ecosystems requires a strategic approach that balances innovation with practical business needs. Organizations should focus on integrating advanced technologies, fostering collaboration, and ensuring data security throughout their digital transformation journey. It is essential to remain adaptable, continuously evaluate emerging trends, and invest in skills development to maximize the benefits of these ecosystems. By doing so, businesses can enhance efficiency, drive growth, and maintain a competitive edge in an increasingly digital landscape.